riders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video and sharing it with a friend. Wanted to show you how the RZR Trail Ultimate is in the snow. One down, I am a big advocate of these Bighorn tires. I had them on a Maverick Sport. I had them on a Maverick Sport years ago, and one weakness I found is they weren't so good in the snow. Now I'm wondering if it was the Maverick Sport, because on the RZR Trail they did pretty good. This snow was 24 inches deep. It's riding on top of it, but it's pushing snow. No doubt the machine is pushing snow, and at the start wasn't happy. But these Bighorns did a great job getting this machine through the snow. So just a little fun. I like to put the American flags up on the back of the machine. Show my patriotism. And it's just a beautiful sunny day after 3 days of a snowstorm in western New York, and I figured why not take this machine out and run it. Man, is it blustery, huh? Different things on my channel, and one of the things I enjoy is off-road riding. And even as a young kid in single digits, I used to like to walk in the woods. Then when I got a bicycle, I used to ride my bike in the woods. My brother used to take me on the back of his Honda 160 motorcycle. We used to go riding in the woods. And then when I was 13 years old, I purchased my own motorcycle. And since then, off and on, my entire life, I've been riding off-road. And I post these videos, I call them snow play videos. One, what can you do when the weather's so bad you really shouldn't be outside? You know what? What do I do to get outside? I'll do a video of a machine running around in the snow after a blizzard or snowstorm. Not that I'm the world's greatest outdoor person, but get outdoors. I like it in motorsports. We don't know where the sport is headed. I hope it's going to be around for a long, long time. I really enjoy it. and there's so many other people throughout the world that enjoy it. And one good thing, not that there's only one, to come out of COVID was off-road riding, especially side-by-sides, has really taken off. I've never seen the trails busier with new equipment. So wanted to show you some, and by the way, and I'm a hypocrite in some ways, family would say probably many ways, you don't need a 200 horsepower side-by-side or ATV to enjoy off-road riding. This is 75, and I've had those machines. This is 75 horsepower, 50 inches wide, and it is a lot of fun and can go almost, I say almost everywhere an ATV can go. Off camber, it's a little scary because of it. You really can't move your body weight around on it to balance the machine, but it really is a spectacular little machine. You don't have to spend a ton of money. There's so many different units out there. Competition has helped the industry. I'm a fan of RZR, for I've told you before, and this machine is just it's a champ, boy. I'll tell you, I didn't think it could go out in the snow. And let's wow, it's really deep back in there. I did not even try to get into my wooded area because I didn't think I'd fare too well. And we'll see if I get any drone video out of this because my phone was acting up, maybe because of the cold. And guys, if you can't see this, it's really cold. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Got outside during this storm other than blowing and shoveling snow. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to shovel a little bit before I pack it in to go inside and make some sauce for my family. I hope you weathered the storm in Western New York well, and you're safe and warm, and God bless you. Thank you for watching the channel. I hope to see you on the trail.